my dress. In the past 5 years, San Diego is 7-1 when the temperature is 40 degrees or lower. It will be that tonight. In fact, it might just get so cold that it could call for a change in headgear.
They did it again?
Intrepid sideline reporters, little Christmas gift came to the Hanson household.
Who was that?
I'll let you know, Dion's sweater collection was not harmed in the production of this headgear.
Very well done.
Very cute, huh, buddy? You like your clown in the box?
Passing yards, but he is sixth in those categories, and all he does is win, and on more than one occasion, light up the scoreboard. As the Chargers enter tonight's game on a 9-game winning streak, one must wonder why isn't Philip Rivers mentioned more as an MVP candidate?
What the heck?
Perhaps if he gets that ring,
Don't
then
tear him
he'll
apart.
pay heed, and Rivers thinks the Chargers are poised to do just that.
This team has been through a lot. We've been to the AFC Championship and lost. We've been 4-8 back. We beat them on the road. We've lost to Pittsburgh last year at their place. We've kind of seen it all. We lost to New England at home in 06 with home field advantage. So all of those experiences have developed a personality and a mindset. We're well equipped.
Yay!
So Rivers and the Chargers clinched the AFC West last week. The only thing left for them to clinch is the 2 seed and the bye week that comes with it in the playoffs. They will do so with a win tonight here on
I just wanted to come out.
Or if they lose tonight, they can sit back and vote the Jaguars in New England. That would be bad for the Titans, however, and we'll get to that still come here on our special edition. But why don't we get more respect heard coast to coast for the San Diego Chargers? I asked Mr. San Diego himself.
What?
It's funny, and people say, boy, the San Diego Chargers, they